Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the business trip Odoo module developed by Openinside. Welcome to our unique business trip module. We are excited to introduce a tool to help organizations efficiently handle business trip requests and expenses. This module is designed to simplify the management of business travel dynamics and associated costs. With a highly configurable workflow engine, there's no need for extensive coding to create complex processes. Managing business travel requests efficiently is essential for any HR or administrative team, and this module provides a streamlined way to create, process, and track traveler requests through an organized workflow. Let's get started with our demo. First, log into your dashboard and navigate to the Traveler module from the app drawer. You will notice three main menus. Business Trip. This menu contains all business trip requests. To approve, this menu filters requests that are pending approval. Configuration. Here, you can adjust general settings. Like HR configurations, select specific journals for business trips, and define stages for expense creation. In the configuration, you can also set a limit for business trip days. Hide or unhide fields like the analytic account, advance payment, or completion report fields. Some additional features may require installing other modules. Next, navigate to the Business Trip Service menu, where you can create travel services and activate or deactivate them. The Allowances menu allows users to add calculation formulas for allowances. And from the Country group, you can set additional days for specific countries. Finally, in the Ticket Class menu, users can set domains based on travel class preferences. Now, to create a new business trip request, click on the New button in the Business Trip menu. A form will appear where you'll need to fill in the trip details. Employee information like contract, department, and manager will be autofilled based on the requester's details. The requester will simply need to enter the start and end dates. Select the country and city, and the system will automatically calculate the allowance. From the Services section, user can specify housing, ticket, and visa providers if needed. Once entered all the necessary details, click the Confirm button to submit the request for approval. The request will follow a specific workflow. Manager approval. Your line manager will either approve or reject the request. HR officer approval. If approved by the manager, the request moves to the HR officer for further approval or rejection. Employee completion. Once the HR officer approves, the request returns to the requester for final approval. Manager completion review. The manager will then review the completion stage, and once approved, the request is fully processed. Once fully approved, the system automatically generates an expense. You can view the expense report and register the payment. Afterward, the payment state will update accordingly to when payment or paid once reconciled with the bank statement. And there you have it. You've reached the end of our tutorial on how to raise and process a traveler request using the Business Trip module developed by Openinside. We hope this tutorial has provided a clear guide on how to use this module effectively. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of Openinside's Odoo module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.
We know what we do.